Hi friends, welcome to the Precious Life. I'm overjoyed to be here again with the next attribute of love. So let's start. Friends, what do you think about pure love? Pure love. It's so pleasant to our heart. I know something about pure love and I don't want to late in sharing it. There are four features to be known of pure love and let's know two of them in this episode. See, I met many people in my life and I can variate the people one who truly loves me and the one who not. Because words with pure love touches the heart of others. Here is a quote which says like this: anxiety of a man's heart weighs it down, but a good encouraging word makes it glad. Yes, it's true my friends. Words have the power to break a life or to make a life. So we all have the sense to differentiate between pure love and contaminated or polluted love. These are the two characteristics of pure love. Firstly, pure love is not jealous or envious, and pure love is not proud. Friends, do you know the root cause of jealous, envious or proud? It comes from comparison. Comparison in personality, property, prosperity, intelligence and so on. I ask you, why to compare? Did we everyone born at the same time and place to compare? Absolutely and undoubtedly no. So there is no need to compare anymore with others. See, in a cropland, every seed is sown at the same time and treated in a same way. So they grow in a same style. But in a nursery or in a park, we see different types of plants growing in different style and fashion according to their genetics. We all enjoy watching all the plants at one place. We are same as the plants in the nursery or in a park with different family background, style of living, talents and so on. Do you know? The Creator is pleased with every good style of living. Though you are poor or rich, it doesn't matter. Let me tell you a story. It's a kid's story, but I love it because there is a good lesson in it. One day, a crow was so upset of its appearance and went to a goose, in Telugu it's called as Hamsa, and says like this: "Hey, you are so beautiful than me." Then the goose replies, "I am of one color, but see that parrot, it's beautiful than me with two different colors." So the crow went to parrot and says, "Hey, you are so beautiful than me." Then the parrot replies, "I am of only two colors, but see that peacock, it's beautiful than me with different colors." So finally, the crow went to peacock, which is locked in zoo, and says like this: "Hey, you are so beautiful than me with different colors. See, I'm so upset of my appearance." Then the peacock replies, "What's the need of my beauty? I'm bonded here. I feel to be like you because you have the freedom to fly anywhere, be anywhere and do whatever you like." At that moment, Crow realized the importance of its uniqueness and flew with a heart of satisfaction. Friends, everyone may not have the same style of living. People lead their life according to their situation demands. So we must respect every good deed. At this moment, I would like to tell about my friendships and relationships that I have in my life. We were three friends in our college. Of course, I'm blessed with many good friends, but we three were very close, roaming in the college campus, sharing our boxes, cracking jokes, everything we used to do together. Every day, we used to buy a pack of biscuits. Even though we have money, we used to buy only single pack of biscuits and share among us. After we shared, there would be an extra biscuit. So officially we declared that the biscuit must be given to the one who paid on that day. So that's the happy life in our college. After 6 years, now presently they are working in reputed MNCs located in Hyderabad and Bangalore for a good package. But our friendship never changed. We do personal calls, conference calls, cracking jokes, sharing the happiest and sad moments happen in the journey of life. The reason for our strong bonding is this. I am not jealous of their achievement and they are not proud of their position. In fact, I appreciate them for their achievement and encourage them when they share of their future plannings. Even they respect my lifestyle and encourage me in all my deeds. Friends, the Creator loves you with a pure love. You are so valuable in the sight of your Creator. That's the reason He created you uniquely, not to compare in any matter with anyone. So don't add a flavor of comparison in your sweet relation which spoils your emotions. Just endure pure love and make your life beautiful. Thank you for watching our video. See you soon in the next episode. Take care. Bye.